That's the default. I think I purchased, I don't know, like 6, 7 of these. They are awesome. Very easy to change the combination. That's where you change the combination right there to reset. So I believe you just click it. There's a, let me see, there's a little clip there, as you can see. You push it in and up. And then you put whatever number you want here. Clip it back, and that's it, you're done. So let's test it. So right now it's 0, 0, 0. Let's make it 1, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, that's all 9s. Put it back. Lock it. Make it open. Change the combination around. It's locked into place. Now let's try 999 again. Well, let's try the default first, just to make sure that that's not still in play, which was 0, 0, 0, 0. Nope, it's locked into place. All right, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, opens it right up. Yep, so that's how you reset it. Okay, push it in, move it over. Put your combination that you would like to use. And snap it back. And you're done. Super duper. Screw this onto a solid piece of metal frame and you're all done. Alright. You know what? Let me try a set of keys in there. So these are 5 sets of keys. Let me make sure it says 5 keys will fit in there. But these have rings. So this one, it's 3, 2 more. I think you can get more in there. The rings are probably causing the problem. Locked. Awesome. 5 keys fit. With rings and all. Small rings, but they fit. Okay. This is where you screw it in. Usually I use sheet metal screws to screw into metal. It goes right in. I do the same thing with wood. And you get it, the longer the screw and the longer it can go in, the more solid it's going to be on the door or wherever you decide to mount this. Okay. Thank you.